When our master says that ignorance is the cause of stress, struggle, and the suffering. So now you heard the teacher, and can that ignorance be removed just now? Yes, it can, if you are the highest level of a seeker and that knowledge is instantly assimilated. But the challenge is that the seed does not become a tree overnight. So the knowledge cannot be realized instantly, especially about who am I. As far as the knowledge of the science is concerned, you get the information and you apply it and you get it, even if it takes some time. But the knowledge about who am I, to remove that ignorance, takes time. And that is what the mindfulness is. Journey to the happiness begins with the 4H. First H means what is to be avoided. Then the cause of that suffering, which is ignorance. So what happens when we remove that cause or ignorance? There is an absence of suffering. But what is the way? And the fourth H is hanopaya. Here, which is to be avoided, that is suffering. Hetu, the cause. Han is the absence. And hanopaya is the method. So simple to understand it. We need to avoid the suffering by understanding. Here, generally means which is what is to be avoided. So what do you mean by avoiding? It means I have to understand. No one wants unhappiness in the world, so therefore the unhappiness falls into this category. And it is but natural for the mind, which is impulsive mind I'm talking about, that has an attachment towards the object through which happiness is experienced. So I have to find out if the happiness present in that object or it is within me. That is the way.